Got a minute? Let's make this.
Stake your claim on a New York sear the way top chefs love to do it, in a skillet and bathed in butter and garlic and herbs. Here's all you'll need: a nice thick steak of your choice. Pat it dry for perfect searing and give it a good amount of salt and pepper on both sides. Now get your skillet hot, heat some olive oil, and lay that baby right down. Sear it on both sides to seal in the juices, the edges too. Then give this steak the flavor it deserves. Some fresh garlic, a few sprigs of herbs like rosemary and thyme, then add a couple of tablespoons of butter. Stir it together and baste the steak with these fantastic flavors. A meat thermometer is helpful so you don't overcook the steak. Should be about 125 degrees. Then let it rest for 5 minutes and slice it up. Perfectly flavored inside and out. You add a piping hot baked potato and a blue cheese wedge salad, and you've got the perfect meal for dinner tonight.
We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen.
1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.